Plastic pollution is everywhere. It's in our oceans, our rivers, our parks, and even the air we breathe. No matter where you look, it's hard to escape the sight of plastic waste piling up, choking the planet one bottle and bag at a time. You've seen the photos. Oceans full of bottles, beaches buried in trash, wildlife struggling to survive. It's a mess. The scale of the problem is overwhelming, and it's easy to feel powerless in the face of so much destruction. But here's the thing. Scientists might have just cracked the code to a cleaner future. Around the world, teams of researchers have been working tirelessly, determined to find a solution that could change everything. They've created a brand new supermaterial that could literally replace plastic as we know it. This isn't just a small improvement, it's a radical leap forward in material science. And honestly, it's a total game changer. The excitement in the scientific community is real. This could be the breakthrough we've all been waiting for. So, what is this mystery material? What makes it so special? And how does it stack up against the plastics we use every day? Imagine something that's not just a knockoff plastic. This is a material designed from the ground up to outperform traditional plastics in almost every way. I'm talking stronger than steel, completely biodegradable, and made from stuff we'll never run out of. Renewable resources like plant fibers and natural starches. These are materials that grow back every year, so we're not depleting the earth to make them. Think about it. You can mold it and stretch it like plastic, but once you're done, it breaks down safely without leaving a trace. No more microplastics sneaking into our water or food chain. It's designed to return to nature, not pollute it. This is next-level material science with a little help from nanotechnology to make it ultra-flexible and seriously tough. Here's why this matters. By engineering the material at the tiniest scale, scientists have unlocked properties that were once thought impossible, combining strength, flexibility, and rapid biodegradability. Every year, we dump millions of tons of plastic into our oceans and landfills. It's a crisis that's only getting worse, with plastic waste showing up in the most remote corners of the planet. It hurts animals, ruins habitats, and ends up in our own food. Microplastics have even been found in the air we breathe and the water we drink. Standard plastics can take centuries to break down, but this new supermaterial, it disappears in just weeks. That's a revolution for our environment and our health. Imagine packaging, electronics, even your clothes, made from something that doesn't outlive you by hundreds of years. The possibilities are endless, from food wrappers to phone cases, all designed to vanish when their job is done. It's not just a cool invention, it's a chance to finally turn the tide on plastic pollution. This could empower communities everywhere to clean up their environments and keep them clean for good. And this isn't science fiction. This is happening right now, in real labs and factories, with real products being tested and refined. Companies are already making prototypes, biodegradable bottles, eco-friendly shopping bags, and even ultra-tough electronics cases. The race is on to bring these innovations to store shelves everywhere. Picture tossing your empty water bottle, knowing it'll vanish harmlessly instead of ending up in the stomach of some unlucky turtle. It's a small action, but multiplied by billions, it could change the world. I mean, how awesome is that? It's a future where our inventions work with nature, not against it. So, could this new supermaterial really save the planet from plastic? The potential is huge, but it's up to all of us to support these breakthroughs and demand better choices. I want to hear what you think. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Would you use products made from this new material? Do you think it's the answer we've been searching for? And if you want to catch more mind-blowing science breakthroughs just like this, don't forget to hit subscribe and ring that bell. There's so much more to discover, and you won't want to miss what's coming next. Thanks for hanging out with me. See you in the much cleaner future. Together, we can help shape a world where plastic pollution is just a memory, and our planet thrives once again.